In this tutorial, we will learn how to install Airflow3 on your local machine using pip. This is the simplest setup of Airflow, which is a very good setup when you want to learn Airflow or do some POC on your local machine. So in the previous lecture, we have already done installation using Docker. In this lecture, we will do using pip. So first we will create the Python virtual environment, then we will run the pip command, and then we'll start the Airflow in standalone mode, and then we will fetch the credentials and log in into Airflow. So you need to have Python 3.11, 3.11 on your machine. If it's already there, then fine. If it's not there, please install Python 3.11. We will be installing Airflow 3.1.5, and we will be running Airflow in a standalone mode. So you can like this video and subscribe the channel for more tutorials. Now let's move to the main part where we will be installing the Airflow and running it. Open the terminal in your system. Let's first check the Python version. So my default Python 3 is 3.9.6. So that's why I have installed Python 3.11 also. So you can see Python 3.11 is aliased as Python 3.11. First install that in your system if you don't have already. If you have Python 3.11, let's move to the next step. So I am creating a virtual environment. I have named it as airflow-env. Okay, now I need to activate the environment which we are going to use. Now you can see the Python environment name here. So this environment has been activated. Now our task is to install Airflow. So I will use direct pip install command with Apache Airflow and the version. It will take few seconds. So it has been installed now. Now I will start the Airflow server. So I am using this command. I am using standalone mode of Airflow3. So Airflow space standalone. Just this command you have to write and you can press enter. This is the first time we are starting it. That's why it will initialize the database first. And one thing you need to see here, the password of the users created password will be stored. So it's by default the Airflow directory. Inside that we have simple auth manager password dot generated. Let me copy this path. Since this is a standalone mode, that's why I'm getting username password like this. So Airflow started. So once your Airflow is up and running in standalone mode, you can open this URL. The default is 8080 port, localhost :8080. I have added username and password. Username I showed you, from where you will get the username and password, and we can sign in. So this is the home page of our Airflow. Here we have all the DAGs. Let's open some DAG. So this is called the graph view, and this is called the grid view. Let's run it once. So these are the parameters. So I will explain in later lectures what are these. So the DAG has been triggered. So this is successful, you can see. In the graph view also you can see. So first this will run parallel from here. Next will be these one. So these are dependencies which we can set in Airflow. These things I will explain you later. So this tutorial was about installing Airflow, and we have seen that we will meet again in the next lectures. Thank you.